Good morning, friends. Today we are going to take some application approach of mathematics. Yesterday we discussed about small introduction of maths paper. I already told there are three maths paper in first semester of FYBC, namely matrix, depend on matrices, calculus, and coordinate geometry. And matrices are useful in rotation, compression, expansion, like this process, and how it is used in computer graphics or in various fields. So that we can see with the small demonstration. Geometry also used to design various machines, various car, like this. Just with the help of equation we can design, and these concepts are useful in creating various software. Maya software, MAY, that is also useful. AutoCAD, that is also used in especially mechanics. MATLAB. So such type of softwares are based on mathematics. So in other words, we can also say mathematics useful to design various apps, various softwares, designing softwares, we can say. So let us discuss on this.
So friends, this is not a real photo of some person. See, this figure made with the software. It can be controlled by matrices. You can see the pointer. This space is designed by software. See, these are the small vectors. If we expand this arrow, compression, expansion, such type of things happen. That human face is its expression. We can change with the help of command, that is obtained from mathematical expression. I hope you can observing some small arrows about 3D vector. We can give the name as XYZ vector, and these are in three colors: red color, blue color, and green color also. See how the faces changes, and this thing we cannot limit it with the expression of human body. Nowadays there are animated movies are coming. So in animated movies, these softwares and these mathematical tools regarding mathematical concept like matrices are used in wide manner. Vector also in a form of matrices. So I hope you enjoy this video and you may get the inspiration. You can do career in software also. There are lot of career opportunity for mathematics. Friends, see the one of the good application of animation. We can do the work without animal, and we can do the action by animation, by software techniques. See the now let us start these actions. See, this monkey is going to suicide. This we can't do with the help of real monkey. So friends, after matrices, let us discuss about calculus. This course provides fundamental knowledge of limit and continuity, differentiation, mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, Cauchy mean value theorem, and geometrical interpretation. This mean value theorem gives the relation between function f of x and its derivatives. And before starting this course, we should have knowledge about 11th and 12th standard mathematics. Like we should know the all formulas regarding derivatives and integration. We also know the problem solving technique of limit and continuity. General objective for calculus is the basic need of this course is to understand the concept and application of calculus. Also, this course will improve problem solving and logical thinking abilities of student. By learning this course, student can use the concept of calculus to develop different mathematical models. That's why here learning outcome is to student can understand basic concept on limit and continuity. Students also can understand use of differentiation in various theorems, and he or she will know the mean value theorems and its application. Student can make the application of Taylor's Maclaurin theorems and also will know application of calculus in various fields. Like we can find maximum or minimum value of some function. In SYBSC also we are going to study more on this topic. So again there are 4 chapters: limit and continuity, mean value theorem, successful differentiation. Here we have to take the derivative successively, means first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, means higher order derivative, and application of calculus, like finding the integration of sin raised to n, cos raised to n, such that reduction formula also we are going to study. So there are some references for this paper: Theory and Problems of Advanced Calculus by Robert Pedre and Murray. Textbook on Differential Calculus, this is second book. Integral Calculus, this is third book, both by Gorakh Prasad. Now let us move towards coordinate geometry. This geometry is regarding 3D figures, 3D surfaces. Up to now we studied 2D surface like circle, rectangle, triangle, lie on the two-dimensional plane, say XY plane. Now can you tell 3D surface? Means we can't express only on two-dimensional space or on can't draw on blackboard. For example, sphere. Sphere is 3D surface. Ellipsoid, rectangular box, egg shape, cone. We can say ice cream cone also. Cylinder. So these surfaces we are going to study. So that's why this paper divided into 4 parts. Analytical geometry. This is quite use the relation or related with the 2D. Second is sphere. Third is cone. Fourth is cylinder. We can find the equation with some data. We can find the equation of sphere. We can find the equation of cone. Equation of cylinder. It's all these surface we can write in a language of mathematical equation. So this course provides the elementary level knowledge of 2D and two-dimensional and three-dimensional geometry, especially sphere, cone, cylinder. Again, we should have knowledge of geometry which you already learn in 11th and 12th standard. General objective to study the two-dimensional geometry, translation and rotation of axis, and uses to convert in standard 2D form. We already see the some small videos regarding rotation, expansion, compression, like that, translation. So this is the brief introduction for these 3 papers. For third paper, reference books are Elementary of Coordinate Geometry by S. L. Loni, textbook of Coordinate Geometry by Gorakh Prasad. So I hope you will enjoy this lecture, and we will take the books on this. You can take the local author book, local publication like Prashant publication, and we can start our study with the help of this book. So in next lecture we will start coordinate geometry paper. That is very important and that I am going to teach. And second paper, calculus, will be taught by my dear friend Mr. Anand Madi sir. So let's enjoy. Have a nice day.